Everyone wants to make money instantly, but does not know how to make it or have anyone to tell them how to. So here is an instant way from which you can make $200 every 20 minutes, and its name is PayPal. You might know about it, but still some do not know. PayPal is a highly secure financial service backed with some of the best end-to-end encryption available globally. For extra safety, you should also make sure to enable two-factor authentication and delete any unused bank accounts or email addresses. Before we start making, let us know how to make an account in PayPal step by step. If we do not have an account in PayPal, how are we gonna make money from it, right? So let us get started and follow the instructions carefully. Step 1. Go to PayPal's website and there you will find sign up. Click on that. Here is the link if you are having any trouble finding it. Is shared in the bio www.paypal.com. Step 2. After selecting sign up, choose the option personal account, then it will take you to a page and you have to fill in your credentials, which will be shown in the next steps. Step 3. First, you have to enter your country name, from where you are or belong, then your email address, and then your password, which you shall not share with anybody. Step 4. After that, you have to enter your other personal details like name, age, address, etc. Step 5. It is optional, but if you want, you can link your credit card to PayPal. Step 6. Just like earlier, you have an option to link your bank account to PayPal, but to make money, you have to link your bank account to receive money. Step 7. The last step is to verify your email address with PayPal, which is compulsory to do. There are several ways in which you can earn money from PayPal, so I'm going to tell you the various ways to earn money through PayPal. Transcription work. One way to make real money with PayPal is to become a transcriptionist. Sites like TranscribeMe and Webflow Garain will pay you to transcribe audio recordings from corporate, legal, and medical clients. The payment procedure is done after a week of work, so you can earn up to $25 per hour of audio transcribed. Your starting salary can be even higher if you are a certified legal or medical transcriptionist. To get started with many transcriptionist sites like TranscribeMe after you pass an exam to prove your writing skills and start working. If you are interested in learning more about how to become a transcriptionist, go and check out Transcribe Anywhere's free mini course by today itself. Virtual Assistant. A virtual assistant is one of the growing side hustles one can look up to. It has quite many variations of itself as well. One may choose whichever suits them the best. For instance, one can manage email accounts for a user and optimize and facilitate the content for a page as well. These are just a few to recall, but the scope is infinite if you are interested. Not everyone needs a full-time person to assist them. Some also look for half-time as well. If you're someone who is a social media buzzer, you can look for clients on that path too. This way you'll have yourself suggesting them and advising them as well. Selling products online. The other way to receive affiliated income is by recommending products that you use and love. You can also sell your own. You can sell an ebook, artwork, customized graphics, etc. You can even earn a larger profit margin by selling your products online. In the past, you have done any online shopping for any reason. You might have seen the Pay with PayPal payment option at the checkout screen. Your website can also have this PayPal option, or use an online shopping cart like Shopify that will automatically deliver your digital products and ship physical goods you keep in distribution warehouse. If you don't already own a website, you can create your website in 10 minutes with Bluehost for as little as $2.95 per month, though you will not start earning money right away until you start getting visitors to your site. It is possible to make a part-time and, in some cases, full-time living from your website, only if you are willing to deal with it with patience and persistence. Affiliated marketing. If you have a website or blog, you have the perfect platform to make a profit from the affiliated market. You would have seen people making money from the affiliated market, where you get a small commission each time a visitor purchases any good after they click the referral link on your site for products that you enjoy and recommend. For example, you can write a post about your favorite console and include an affiliate link for the console. If readers buy the console, you earn a few dollars every time the product is purchased. Each affiliate program works differently. Some people operate the program themselves, and you can get links directly from their websites. Other merchants partner with affiliate networks such as ClickBank, Gumroad, and Shopify. What I would suggest is for you to consider taking up a course to learn more about how to make money. Even if you are just getting started with affiliate marketing or you already have some experience, it is still best to do a course.